Hello and welcome to the channel. As you know, we are done with short vowel sounds of our vowels A, E, I, O, U, and we are going to begin with long vowel sounds of our vowels. The first vowel that we have is A, and let's start with long vowel sound of A. The sound is A itself. So, when we say short vowel sound of A, it is going to be A, but when we say long vowel sound of A, is going to be A. Now let's read and see how short vowel A and long vowel A is read and it is written. The first word that comes to my mind in helping you to differentiate between short vowel A sound and long vowel A sound is can, k, an, can. Now this word has a long vowel A sound. How do you know? There is an E in the end of these words. Now whenever you see E in the end, you automatically come to know that this is going to be a long vowel A sound. Now this becomes K, A, not A. This becomes K, A, K, N, cane. Cane is a long stick used by old people to walk. So this is can, I can do it, but this is cane. The old man used his cane. So this is cane. And E does not produce any sound. Cane, we end it with N. There's no sound of E. E is just there to help us, tell us that this is not short vowel A sound. This is not A. This is A sound. Now let's take one more example. This is ma, ending with n, man. Now let's read this one. Ma, a, do. We are going to say ma, a, may. Why? Because there is E in the end. So this E is telling us that this A is long vowel A. So this is going to be ma, a, may, and then na becomes mane. Mane is the long hair that you see around lion's face. So that is mane. This is man. If you forget your E, you will say this is lion's man. But do we want to say man? No. We want to say this is lion's mane. So we cannot forget the E. It does not have a sound, but it is helping us that this is long vowel A sound that we have to say when we read this word. And while writing also, we cannot confuse it with man. You know, when we are writing, the sentence will not make any sense. Let's take another example. Ma, a, why a? There's no E, so we're going to say short vowel A sound. Ma, a, d, mad, angry, mad. Now I have put E in the end, and let's see what difference does it make. Because I have put E in the end, this A sound is producing long vowel A sound. So this becomes ma, a, may, and ending with the d, made. I made a cake. And that reminds me, let's do some sentences and see if we can read them. It's a statement, so it will begin with a capital and end with period. You are sight word. Now let's see this word. What kind of sound should I make when I read A here? Should I say a or should I say a? There's E here. So long vowel A sound, which is A. B, A, bay. Then a K sound, bake, bake, and I stop. I will not make any sound for E. This is just helping us here. So this is B, A, K, bake. You bake a, K, a. This is going to be A again. Long vowel A sound, not short vowel A sound because there is E in the end. So this is K, A, K, cake. You bake a cake. Again a statement, so capital and period. The our side word. Now this is man, a sound, because there is no E in the end. We can continue to say it as a short vowel A sound, which is a sound. The man, remember this, our side word was. The man was in the, our side word again. Now let's see this one. E in the end. Long vowel A sound. So a, lay, and then lane. You bake a cake. The man was in the lane. I hope it was clear. We'll continue with more long vowel A words so that it becomes more clear to you in the upcoming lessons, and we'll continue with these words. Now, you bake a cake. The man was in the lane. You are able to read them, I'm sure. But while writing, do not forget the E in the end. And this brings end to our today's lesson. I hope to see you very soon.